Bird. Three-legged beagle. Bird. Bird bath. Hopper. You bored of the bird already? Or you just give up? Looks like the bird's giving up too. Bailey. Are you friends with the birds now? You're not going to go after them? No, she comes by every night. She wants to have a little bath before she goes to bed. But she's afraid of you. Where's the bird? Where's the robin? There she is, up on the rock. Oh, where'd she go? Right up there. I wonder if I can zoom in. Oh, she just took off behind the rock. Bailey! Oh, there she is. Scouting out the bird bath. How do I zoom out? There we go. Bailey, where'd you go? What are you doing? You just hopping around? Go see the bird. No, other way. On the other side of the house. The bird sees you. Hopper. Bird's right above that rock. On the grass now. Do you see her? Where's the robin? Where's the bird? You don't see her, do you? They're very stealthy. Bird versus Hopper. Bird won, Beagle none.